Right, so that's the bathroom from the outside. And you can see we're quite high up here. There's no way you're gonna get scaffolding, right? And here's a full bathroom. So that's the radiator I was telling you about. Probably get a 460, probably get it to 460 by 2 if you want in there. This is the basin, right? Pipe that's coming up from the floor. So you can probably get away with the cabinet. The basin waste comes into the toilet here. And that goes straight outside to the soil stack. Like I said, the toilet's cracked, so any toilet you want to put, that's blessed. The floor, they've got these kind of lino tiles. If you want to tile it, it's up to you. If you want to put lino, it's up to you. Your cold water feed for the toilet at low level. Even here, it looks broken, you see. Right, this is the window. This is where they've got the extractor fan, but there's no power feed to here. It's kind of just randomly there. So like I said, if I go this way, sorry people, bit of privacy out here. Right, so the consumer unit's at the front here. Let me show you what consumer unit they got. There you go. They do have some spaces there if you need to run it. Okay. I hope that makes sense, Cuzzy. That's the breaker for the electric shower. It's okay, don't worry. And then, like I said, from all the way up here, and then we're going through down the hall. Let me show you up here, all up here, and also this is all down low. So if you wanted to run it low, you could. Or you could run it high. You might want to run it high, and then run it across here, down the hallway. Yeah, and then somewhere into here, and to that extractor, just to help it. So they do have the window, but the extractor fan did help. This box in here is above the bath. All right, they got the box where the pipes come down behind it. And they got old Worcester Green Star in there, filter, all that jazz. Can't really see you behind it, but you don't really need to. Yeah. So I don't know if you want to get rid of that box and do something else. And then continue the tiles on the side. There's one in the bath there, up there. Okay, coming across. And then you see in that corner, see if I zoom in, it's starting to peel in certain spots. I think over there they tried to patch it, but definitely here it's peeling, so you may want to replaster. I think they've had issues in the loft before, not the loft, the roof. So that's just happened. They put a new lighting in not too long ago. Even in this corner as well, see a bit of peeling, so give yourself some allowance. Same with that corner as well, a bit of peeling, all right? And then here's the real problem area. So they gave me permission today to come in here because I had a big leak downstairs. You see all the bath panel was tiled over. It's completely rotten. I had to break this out and see what's going on. If you have a look here, that waste pipe was loose. And you see how it kind of goes down, like it's been kicked in. So yeah, it's just gone. I've been able to, you know, hemorrhage the leak for the time being. See if I can zoom in here for you, Cuzzy. So you got the condensate coming in there. And then it seems to connect again, hidden. So obviously you have to take all this out here just to get there, all right? Sorry, let me zoom that back out. You have to take all of that out just to get over there. So this is what we're saying. Let's take it all out. Make sure the floor's reinforced. You can see even some of these joists, they've had a bit of rot hitting on them for a little while. Even behind here, it's all falling apart behind here as well. So yeah, they want a quote just for a new one. I gave you the measurements for the bath. Obviously we want the new shower door. This one is completely gone. And then you see they've got a Bristol electric shower. So it is working. You may just want to put a new one just for the sake of it, but it is working. But we definitely want a new bath tap. So obviously with the new bath, new tap. And you see here, they've taped where all the tiles are broken. But I've noticed it looks like there's some additional cracking like that in that corner there. There's an additional crack that's in the tile itself, so not even the ground now. So yeah, let's just get this done all in one. Let's just step back. So yeah, that's the bar, all under there. Basin, that's the radiator. All right, blessings.